Well, your diet plays a significant role in managing diseases, whether it's kidney disease, liver disease, or issues related to the brain and heart. Nature has gifted us with wonderful veggies that not only provide nutrition but also have therapeutic effects on the body. When we talk about kidney health, especially chronic kidney disease, CKD, making the right food choices is absolutely crucial. But why does diet matter? Because what you eat has a direct impact on your GFR, glomerular filtration rate, and creatinine levels, which are key indicators of your kidney function. Alright, if your lab reports are showing a significantly raised GFR, then no worries. Add some kidney healthy veggies to your diet which are low in potassium and phosphorus. Hello and a very warm good morning to all my viewers. I am Dr. Madhvi Vash from Bharat Homeopathy. I have extensive clinical knowledge and experience in treating kidney disease over the years with natural and holistic medicines along with right diet and nutrition. Today in this video, we will discuss the 5 best kidney-friendly veggies that help increase your GFR and reduce creatinine levels naturally. So let's begin. The first vegetable that tops the list of kidney-healthy veggies is cauliflower. It is nutrient-rich cruciferous vegetable that is packed with vitamin C, folate and fiber. But do you know why it is especially good for kidney patients? Because cauliflower contains compounds that help body neutralize toxin and reduce stress on the kidneys. It is low in potassium and phosphorus, making it even safe for advanced kidney patients. The high fiber content supports digestion, prevents constipation and helps the body eliminate waste more efficiently, indirectly lowering creatinine. You can enjoy cauliflower steamed, boiled or mashed as a healthy substitute for starchy foods. Next on the list are red bell peppers. These vibrant veggies are not only beautiful in color but also a storehouse of kidney protective nutrients. Red bell peppers are low in potassium and rich in vitamin A and C and B6. They also contain lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect kidney cells from oxidative damage. By reducing inflammation and oxidative stress, they improve kidney filtration and support better GFR. You can add them raw to salads, roast them or include them in kidney-friendly soups. The third veggie is cabbage. It's another cruciferous vegetable that works wonders for your kidneys. Cabbage is rich in phytochemicals that help break down free radicals, reducing damage to kidney tissues. It is low in potassium, sodium and phosphorus, making it an excellent choice for CKD patients. It also contains vitamin K, vitamin C and insoluble fiber which improve digestion and reduce toxin buildup. You can have it steamed, boiled or lightly stir-fried in kidney-safe oil. Now let us talk about garlic. It is one of the most powerful natural remedies for kidney health. It contains allicin, a compound with strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Garlic helps reduce high blood pressure and cholesterol, which are two major risk factors for CKD. Well, there are several studies that suggest that garlic can help reduce serum creatinine levels and improve overall kidney function. You can add fresh garlic to your veggie soup and curries. However, always consult your doctor if you have hypertension and you are on blood thinning medicines. Now, the last and fifth kidney healthy veggie is radish. Radish is very low in potassium and phosphorus but contains other important nutrients such as folate and vitamin C. A half cup 58 gram of sliced radishes contain about 135 mg of potassium and 12 mg of phosphorus. Radishes contain antioxidants that can help protect cells from damage and support recovery from cellular damage in the kidneys. Alright, so these 5 veggies will help reduce GFR and prevent potential damage to the kidneys if you have chronic kidney disease. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to the Bharat Homeopathy YouTube channel for more health related, interesting and informative videos. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.